It's Gloria with Miami Car Cartel, and today we are going to talk about a not so happy topic, and that is what to do when you get into a car accident. Car accidents can be a really, really crazy time. A lot of things are happening. You might be in traffic, you might be hurt, your passengers might be hurt. You don't know what's happening. But I urge you to keep watching this video, and I'm going to give you step-by-step things that you should try your best to remember. Not try, you need to remember, so that no matter what, you are covered, your car is covered, your injuries are covered. Let's get right into it. Step number one is stay calm. Breathe. Check yourself for injuries, check your passengers for injuries, and immediately call 911. Super important. Pick up the phone, call 911. If you can't call 911, maybe there's somebody around you that can. Just make sure somebody called 911. Step number two is move to safety. Turn on your hazard lights and try to get out of the middle of the road. Pull yourself to the side as much as you could. I know sometimes your car isn't drivable, and if your car is not drivable, you want to stay in the car, put your seatbelt on, and wait till somebody comes to help. So if you get hit, don't put yourself in traffic. You don't want to be causing traffic jams and putting yourself in danger with all these people trying to get around you. Move to safety, somewhere on the side of the road, some in a parking lot, anywhere that you could find to move. So step number three is always call the police. Even if it's a small little accident, get a police report. Trust me, this helps you later with insurance, repairs, and any medical claims. Don't let nobody tell you don't call the police. If somebody tells you don't call the police, you watch them like a hawk, because something's going on there. Make sure, always pick up the phone and call the police. Make sure that you get a police report. Step number four, document everything. Take pictures of all the cars involved, the street, the damage, the plates, the other driver, the surroundings. The more proof, the better. Now, here's a little tip. If you feel like you can't document everything, make sure that you call somebody that you could trust, like your husband, your spouse, your mother, your father, somebody that you think may show up to the scene that's going to help you document everything. Once you get hit, your adrenaline starts rushing. You are in shock, so you could forget to document very important things. One tip that I would say that's super important is call somebody that you trust and tell them that you got into an accident. And if they could come and help you, then that would be awesome. And when they get there, maybe you can document, but let them know, hey, could you take pictures of things and help me out, because I'm a little out of it right now. Step number five is exchange information. Get their license, insurance, phone number, plate number. Make sure that the info matches. Make sure that it's the same person, same license, same insurance. Make sure that you're getting every single thing written down. If you don't have a pen, make sure you're taking pictures of the insurance card, everything that they have to give you. Make sure you just take a picture of it. It goes back to step four, and that's document everything. Make sure you exchange information. Step number six is don't admit fault. Even if you feel bad or confused, just stick to the facts. Let the insurance and the police determine fault. Don't say it was my fault. Don't say it was his fault. Don't say anything. Just stick to the facts of what you know. Step seven is go get checked up by a doctor. I know that some people don't like to go to the hospital afterwards, but I always think after even a small impact, you could really have some damage. Just make sure you go to a doctor, get checked out, make sure there's no underlying injuries. Just make sure the doctor tells you you're okay. That's all the steps. Stay safe out there. Remember, knowing what to do makes all the difference. This is Gloria from Miami Car Cartel. Ride with us, and I'll see you in part two.